This is Legacy Handyman. Today we're gonna change the vacuum breaker on outside spigot. First thing we're gonna show you why we're changing it. Once you connect the hose to it and open it, you can see the mist coming out of the hole right here. This is a new vacuum breaker. It's got a set screw. The original one doesn't. You can see all the parts and material in the links down below. And what we're going to do, we're going to unscrew the old vacuum breaker. This is half of it, so you want to make sure that threads are the same. You need big channel locks for it because sometimes it doesn't want to get unscrewed. Now you make sure that thread is the same thread as your vacuum breaker, and what I recommend, take the thread sealant of any kind and apply it on the threads here, because you will be messing with that hose all the time, connecting it, disconnecting it. It has to be that. That's why they put that set screw. But what I don't like about set screw, because if your set screw gonna be set right here and break, you're never gonna get it out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the Loctite thread sealant. It's a Loctite 609 retaining compound, and you just need a little drop on each side of the thread for it to work. Doesn't have to be a lot. Once you thread it on, it's gonna spread out throughout the threads. I'm using same channel locks and just tighten it till it's all the way in. Now it's in. We got lucky, the set screw is on this side, so we'll tighten it a little bit. And if it's on this side, it's no problem, because if you break it, you can always drill it out. It's comfortably on the top of the spigot. See, like it's broke right now. So next time I'm going to take it out, I'm going to have to drill it, but no big deal, because we got retaining compound, Loctite, and this set screw. Now the installation is done. Let's talk a little bit about it. This is your anti-siphon spigot, and the main purpose of it, it shuts off the water right here next to the thread. So it's a stem goes in and it'll shut off water over here. So after this point, you'll have insulation, then a brick or siding. It's your default installation on the newer modern houses. One of the functions of this device is to drain the water outside the tube, because if you got no device and water stays there for holding by vacuum, that's why it's called vacuum breaker. So the water will stay and it'll freeze, it'll split the tube right here. So once it's split here, it'll hold the water, so it's not going to flood or anything. But you're not going to be able to use this faucet, because the water will go inside the wall and eventually drain out on the bottom of the bricks. And that's pretty much, when you see it, that's your sign that that one of the spigots is broken. Another function of this device, this is backflow preventer. Let's say you got your hose connected, the hose laying down in a puddle of mud, and you decided that you're going to do maintenance in your house. You shut off the water for the house, start opening the faucets, and backflow happening. This device will stop contamination getting into your house. So do not bypass this device. It's there for a reason. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Share our videos and subscribe to our channel.